Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will share with you how to cook my fast and easy and delicious Chinese pork fried rice. For my pork fried rice, you will need 4 cups of day-old rice, a half a pound of pork tenderloin cut into very small pieces, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 small onion minced, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 2 eggs beaten, some oil for frying, and pepper to taste. First thing we're going to do is put some freshly ground pepper on our pork, and we're going to mix this. Now that we have our pork peppered, we will set this aside. Now we are going to mix our dark soy sauce, our brown sugar, our hoisin sauce, our sesame oil, and our oyster sauce, and we are going to whisk this together. Now that our sauce is mixed well, we will set it aside. We're going to turn a wok or big skillet onto medium-low heat and put about 1 tablespoon of oil in the wok. Now that our wok is warm, we will put our pork into it. Now we are going to cook our pork, stirring occasionally for 5 minutes. Now that our pork has been cooking for about 5 minutes and it is done, we will add our garlic, our ginger, and our onions into our wok. I'm going to stir and saute this for about 1 minute. Now that my onions and garlic and ginger has been sauteing for about a minute, I'm going to add my peas and carrots. I'm going to mix this and let this cook for about another 2 minutes. Now that our carrots and peas have been cooking for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add my rice. Going to mix this well, and I'm just going to cook this until everything is mixed, maybe about a minute. Now that our rice is mixed well with all the other ingredients, you want to make a little well in the middle of your wok or your skillet. And you want to pour your 2 beaten eggs in the middle. And you want to mix this, and slowly, as the eggs cook, mix the rice into it. Now that I have cooked the eggs and mixed it throughout the rice, I will pour my sauce all over this rice mixture. And I'm going to mix this well. Now that I have mixed my sauce well, it is time to plate. I've paired my pork fried rice with some air fried chicken and some pot stickers. If you ever need a meal that is fast, easy, delicious, and a family pleaser, you should give this recipe a try. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, share this with your friends, and don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.